Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's here to make a statement in the world of smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Oppo Reno 12F. The Oppo Reno 12F is not just a phone, it's a masterpiece. With its stunning design and cutting-edge features, it's ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level. First, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Reno 12F features a sleek, ultra-slim profile that's both stylish and comfortable to hold. Its premium glass back with gradient colors catches the light beautifully, making it a true eye-catcher. And the display? It's a gorgeous 6.5-inch AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and with a 90 Hz refresh rate, everything looks buttery smooth. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Oppo Reno 12F is equipped with a quad-camera setup. It has a 64MP main sensor that captures stunningly detailed photos, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens for those breathtaking landscape shots, a 5MP macro lens for close-up details, and a 2MP depth sensor for beautiful portrait shots. Whether you're capturing the beauty of nature, snapping selfies, or recording videos, the Oppo Reno 12F's camera setup ensures you get the best shot every time. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 12F packs a powerful punch with its MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor and 8GB of RAM. Multitasking is a breeze, and gaming is smooth and lag-free. Plus, with 128GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. And when it comes to battery life, the Oppo Reno 12F doesn't disappoint. It features a 4,500 mAh battery that easily lasts all day, and with 30W VOOC flash charge, you can quickly top up your battery and get back to what you love. The Oppo Reno 12F runs on ColorOS 12, which is based on Android 12. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with useful features like customizable always-on display, smart sidebar, and more. Plus, it comes with enhanced privacy features to keep your data safe. And let's not forget the little things that make a big difference, like the in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and AI-enhanced performance that adapts to your usage patterns for a smoother experience. So there you have it, folks. The Oppo Reno 12F is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Check out our other reviews and tech videos here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates and reviews.